Okay, let's dive right into this. Welcome to This Explainer. If you've ever felt like your time is completely maxed out, but your bank account is, well, running on empty, you are going to want to pay close attention today. We're laying out a fantastic step-by-step guide focused entirely on how you can launch your very first income stream. So let's address the elephant in the room, a situation a lot of us know way too well. You're studying hard, managing a ridiculously busy schedule, and by the time rent and bills are paid, there's literally nothing left. You're living that classic starving student life, basically running on instant ramen and sheer willpower, right? You just don't have the time to pick up extra shifts, which means zero cash for the future, or, actually having fun. It's super frustrating. But what if time wasn't the barrier to making money? Well, that brings us to the ultimate solution for being strapped for time: passive income. Simply put, these are earnings that require little to no ongoing effort once you've actually set them up. The big takeaway here? As a student, you don't need more hours in the day to make money. You already possess incredibly valuable knowledge from your studies and life experiences. The real trick is just learning how to package that expertise so it works for you while you're busy doing other things, like sitting in class or, hey, even sleeping. To get you there, we've got a super clear roadmap for This Explainer. First up, step 1, the basic tools. Then, step 2, pick your path. And finally, step 3, launch and scale. Let's get into it. Step 1, the basic tools. Before the cash starts flowing, we need to lay down a solid, beginner-friendly foundation. And honestly, the tech stack here is surprisingly simple. It really just boils down to 2 main platforms. First, you've got WordPress. This is a free open-source content management system. Think of it as your base camp. It's what you use to create your web pages and blog posts. And since it's open source, you can easily expand what it does using plugins. That brings us to the second tool: MemberPress. This is an all-in-one monetization plugin. So while WordPress builds your site, MemberPress actually turns it into a business. It lets you run subscription billing, put specific posts behind paywalls, sell digital downloads, and, this is a big one, run a complete learning management system to sell online courses. Moving right along to step 2, pick your path. Now that we've got our tools sorted, let's check out 5 specific ways to turn your brain power into bank. Path number 1. Tutoring videos. Look, as a student, you have highly specific, super relevant knowledge. You can share study hacks, give real advice on the college experience, or tutor folks in your major. And the demand is absolutely massive. Get this, a staggering 54% of YouTube visitors are on the platform specifically looking to solve a problem. That's a massive, built-in audience actively searching for the exact solutions you can provide. But wait, it gets better. Another 56% of YouTube visitors are there just to learn something completely new. This gives you so much flexibility. You could shoot short, snappy instructional clips or host deep dive lecture videos if you've got an engaged crowd. You could even run interactive webinars. And here is where the passive part really kicks into high gear. By using MemberPress, which links up with platforms like Crowdcast or GoToWebinar, you can record a live webinar just once and then lock the replay behind a paywall indefinitely. You do the hard work one time, and it literally just keeps earning for you. Our second path: starting and monetizing a blog. I honestly love this route because a blog gives you total creative freedom, far, far away from the ever-changing roles of social media algorithms. When you build on social media, you're playing in their sandbox. But a WordPress blog, you are 100% in control. It's incredibly cheap and super quick to set up, making it the perfect hub to run multiple income streams. You can run ads, land sponsorships, and, of course, put your absolute best premium content behind a paywall for members only. That brings us to path number 3, affiliate marketing. This is a brilliant strategy if you're already building that blog or YouTube channel. Basically, you partner with companies that align with your specific niche, places like Amazon Associates, SEMrush, or HelloFresh. They give you a unique affiliate link. All you have to do is drop that link into your blog posts or YouTube descriptions. When a visitor clicks your link and buys something, boom, you earn a cut of the sale. Some of these programs will even pay you a commission just for generating a lead, meaning they literally just have to click the link. Path number 4 is selling digital products. And the contrast here is night and day. Selling physical goods means dealing with high overhead costs and the absolute headache of shipping logistics. But digital products? Zero shipping nightmares and practically non-existent overhead. Let's say you're a business major who also happens to be a fantastic artist. You can easily sell digital illustrations online in between classes. And a pro tip to maximize your profits, avoid those third-party marketplaces that eat up your revenue with massive commissions. Instead, use the MemberPress Downloads add-on. You just upload the files straight to your own site, create secure links, and ensure only paying customers can actually access them. And finally, path number 5, creating an online course. Now, you might be thinking, I don't know enough to teach a whole course, but check out these examples. Are you fluent in a second language? Are you really good at a specific craft? Or do you just have highly requested everyday skills like, say, baking the perfect sourdough? People genuinely want to learn these things from you. Using the MemberPress Courses add-on, you can easily build classes right on your site. If you already have a blog, you can set up membership tiers, tucking your courses and your top-tier posts behind a paywall. It's a fantastic way to monetize your specific expertise. All right, moving to step 3, launch and scale. So how do we actually put all this into motion and get that cash flowing? Well, here's your execution strategy. First off, any good membership site needs sign-up pages, login screens, and clear pricing tables. MemberPress handles all of this automatically with a built-in feature called Ready Launch, literally 0 coding required. With a few clicks, it generates beautiful, modern pages that look great on phones and are optimized to sell. Step 2, bring in those visitors organically using SEO or search engine optimization. And step 3, once they land on your site, collect their emails. Getting that email address lets you send targeted offers straight to their inbox, warming them up for future sales, and giving you yet another perfect spot to share those affiliate links we talked about. And that brings us to the core takeaway for this explainer. Set up passive income streams and start getting paid for what you know. Look, being a student is an incredibly enriching time of your life, but it absolutely does not mean you have to be broke. Your lived experiences, your hobbies, your studies, they hold very real financial value right now. By tapping into straightforward tools like WordPress and MemberPress, you can package all that value into a system that just hums along in the background while you focus on passing your exams. So I want to leave you with one final thought to kickstart your journey today. What knowledge are you going to monetize? Seriously, do not wait for graduation to start building your financial foundation. Pick just one of those 5 paths we covered, get your basic tools set up, and launch that first income stream. Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer, and I seriously cannot wait to see what you build.